Experiencing trouble viewing your bill or making payments in the T-Mobile app? You're not alone. Let's explore the most common causes and quick fixes. First, authentication issues occur due to weak network signals or outdated app versions, which prevent secure login and cause view errors. Second, payment gateway problems arise from expired cards, insufficient funds, or delays from payment processors like Visa or MasterCard. Third, app-level glitches from caching errors or corrupted data prevent bills from loading properly. To troubleshoot, first ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and that your app is updated to the latest version. Second, verify your card information is correct, as payment failures often stem from incorrect details. Third, in the app settings, clear the app's cache and storage to fix glitches. If clearing the cache and verifying payment details doesn't work, try restarting your device or reinstalling the T-Mobile app entirely. User reports indicate that reinstalling often resolves persistent issues by resetting app preferences and clearing corrupted data. If problems persist, consider switching from saved cards to manual payment entry as a workaround for potential Visa or MasterCard integration glitches. Remember that the T-Mobile app utilizes AI-assisted troubleshooting and biometric login for enhanced security. Looking ahead, T-Mobile plans to integrate augmented reality for bill visualization and blockchain-based payments for better security. Keep your app updated to leverage these improvements.